Welcome back to my very cool part. Oh, okay, sorry, something was happening. Ew. I thought I'm gonna wear a little coat, but nah, I don't want a coat. If you guys want to go in my recent Minecraft video, I'm watching like 2021 or something. I think you get it. It's playing my own very stupid map. That's what it's called. So let's get up some gear. No, it's pretty cute. This one. With hair would look way nicer than this. Well, no one really care that much. There. Let's make a day, cause like, I want it to be day. Time to send day. Okay. Guys, I will get eventually something so you guys can hear me better, because I don't know how I sound when I talk that much, because I don't really watch my videos, and I know they're horrible, that's why I don't watch them. So yeah. Anyways. The floor now, I see. We're gonna make the floor a little tough one. Wait only, huh? I mean, other one, not tough one. What is the tough one even mean? Anyway, let's get on to the one. Quick. To put right here and here and there. Okay, right. Push. Wait, okay. Slash. I'm gonna do this, but okay. Oh, yes. It looks so much like it's night, but it's actually just a beautiful day. I suppose this is how we do it. Oh no. Let me try. No, it didn't work. So annoying. Sorry for that stupid meowing. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's okay. That's okay. Anyway, yeah. I like my house. Sort of. No way. Yeah, I like it, sort of. We're gonna turn everything in here a little nice place. This is where, so with all our stuff, that is where we're gonna live. In that room, that's why it's gonna be so, big. Why doesn't it take these stupid things off? Stupid! Our place! I can't really do anything about it. I think it's okay. I'll tell you guys how we're gonna do this. It's okay, we're just gonna make a little bit neater and it will be ready. Our beautiful house. With a big backyard that's gonna be very soon released. Just gonna know. This is the backyard. And we're not even gonna make a house. We're gonna live in a backyard. Like, as long as it's creative. If you guys don't know how to do it and you really want to learn, then just tell me how. Tell me. And I will eventually do a tutorial about it. Like, I watch tutorials all the time, and I understand how hard for some people to do this stuff. And maybe for some people it's easy because like it is for me now, not before. Nice. Where do I put it? So it's like, okay, let's put like this. Wait a second. Slash, put that. Put date and put air in and air. Is there any air? I don't really see much air, but yeah. I don't really mind because it's gonna be a very mermaid house. And our backyard is kind of ugly, but we can put it into sand, snow, or something like that. Yeah, why not? That would be a good idea. We put some sand. No, just like, okay, we can make a sand pit. That's gonna be not that big. It's just gonna be as like the fraction of the thing. No, it's gonna be way way smaller than the fraction of the thing. Here's gonna be the wall for the sand pit. Wait, actually no. Okay, slash table. There's gonna be the wall. You guys have to wait. Not bad. There, already. Okay, I think you all know that I was kidding. Slash coordinates and then okay. Slash Hey there, pretty noise, baby. It's okay. Our sand pits. Now we can start filling up our sand pits. They're just awesome. I don't know, to be honest. Doom, and sand, nailed it. This is where I'm gonna put stuff for you to learn. Like, let's start decorating it. Like, I'll show you guys how to film stuff. So, like you saw I was saying what I was doing. So, I'll take this out for you guys. You have to go to number 1. But sometimes we're gonna put the launcher, it's gonna break above and put the launcher. Not just gonna put the launcher. And there's a few blocks like that, like the vents, what happens. So yeah. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Okay, so let's start with the pavilion. You have to go like this. Slash fill. Put it in your corners and lay them like that. Then go a little bit forward like that, any position you want. And do that, and you slash fill again. Or you don't even have to do it, you just press on this. And this, and press what you want. Like air, it will clear without water. Let's make some water. But this, it will just do like that. This is how you make, like how I did before. Like this. Let me show you. First. And as far as you want. But it might be a very maximum size. So yeah, you can also do this little so it can be bigger. Yeah. Okay. Water, just like that. Totally. It's okay. It's okay. We can do it. We can do it. Okay. Turkey. Oh, I just made a $300. Okay. Okay, you kept concerned till you manage. Wait, no, that's more. Wait. Oh wait. I thought it was gonna be good, but it's still probably gonna tell me maximum size or whatever. Oh no, it's worked. Yay. It puts me lost. It put me. I think it was Simon. I know what this is right here, but oh, I see it's not done. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, it's pretty ready. Our slash time set. Okay. So from now on, what you guys want to tell me, you can do it. And we will also do building stuff. And you guys tell me what you want to learn to build, comment down below. And yeah. Well, that's it for the video. Oh, what I forgot to do is my intro place. Our beautiful intro place is not gonna be an emerald or diamond or anything like that. It's just gonna be a beautiful, very not creative, cause it's very ugly. You know, thing. Okay, mine is ugly, but if you guys make like this, yours gonna look way nicer than mine like piece of garbage can. Little creatures. You guys will find it nice, right? Just turn it like me, something like that. And I'm like, hi guys. It's okay. I like it. Anyway, yeah. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna put barrier everyone on your inventory so they don't know. Let me put that real quick. Oh, I have a few seconds. Okay. Slash gift. There. Okay. Okay. Anyways, bye guys. Okay, yeah. My video is in a few seconds ending, so there's a limit to my videos. Yeah. Bye. I guess. And like very under 20 seconds. Okay, yeah. Bye. You can skip to the end. I have no intro. I'm lonely. Just I'm not. Anyways, yeah, bye. Oh, oh.